Hello everyone, this is Admiral Playerovski bringing you Atlantic Fleet single battle. Not the campaign today, because we have received a suggestion for a single battle. And, well, it's going to be the same single battle as we did last time, based on mission number 34, I think it is, of the Kriegsmarine campaign. But that's fine. You know, I do all of your suggestions, and so doesn't matter. And sometimes changing one little variable can actually produce a much different result. So the difference is that this time instead of the Bismarck we're using the Admiral Graf Spee. And the initiative is with the Germans on this one because that's the way it was in the mission, and we're doing the German Navy again this time. Alright then, all good? I think so. Right, let's go. So here we are with the Berlichingen gun. Now what's the setup that they've got with this? Ah, interesting. So the AI gave itself the same setup as it gave me. I've spoilt part of the video already, haven't I? Ugh. Pretend you didn't hear that bit. Pretend you didn't hear that bit. It may have done, but then it may not have. Am I telling the truth? Well, you'll have to watch that other video to find out. I think I got away with that. But anyway, more pressing concern, we've got carrier group. Yeah, the battleships, we will have those go for the carriers, and then the Graf Spee will go for the Renown. So, Berlichingen, you will go for the Illustrious, and then the Hutton can go for the Formidable. Right, 17 degrees is suggested. We will go all the way up to 16.8. We will have some high explosive shells. Fire! Alright, a little bit long. Hutton, you also turn 15 degrees to port. And you're going for the Formidable. 15.2 is suggested, we'll go 15.4. 15.4 is right here. High explosive, fire! No, that's not gone well. Graf Spee, you just go at flank and fire at the Renown. Is that the Renown over here? Yes, it is. 21.8, we'll go 21.7. Quite high elevation for the guns, really, isn't it? Fire! Go on, go on! Yeah! Good plunging fire there from the Admiral Graf Spee. Who's the Renown going for? This ship here? Well, I don't know which one that is. Is that the Hutton? Ready aircraft? No! We can't have them have ready aircraft. Yeah, it's the Hutton. Right, but we get a chance now to correct our mistake from before, because we have some data here which we can... Oh my gosh, were we going for the Illustrious? We were, weren't we? Oh my gosh, miles away! Right, what are the spotters saying? They're saying... Everyone's saying the same thing, and that was a rubbish salvo. Let's go to 14.7 then. Will that work? Oh, it better do. Fire! It's gotta work. Go on! Little bit. Yes. Good. So that's the Illustrious neutralised, so to speak. Formidable now. How was that? 15.4. We were a little bit short, weren't we? Oh, well, they're saying we were very short, but I reckon 16.1 will do it for us. Just have a look at the map. Yeah, 16.1 will do it, I reckon. Fire! Go on, please do it. Yes, go on. Yes, he did it. Oh, thank goodness. Right, all right, we're pretty much safe then. Battlecruiser Renown. We scored a couple of hits, didn't we, on the Renown? What damage did we cause, if any? Main spotter and main radar light damage. All right, that's not too bad then. What do we reckon though? 21.7. Let's go down to 21.2. I think half a degree less. Fire. Because they've come closer to us. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, that's a couple of hits. 3 maybe. Renown firing. Oh no, are they going for the... Ouch! Oh, they're going for the Graf Spee, it would appear. Yeah, they can't really do much. Can they... No, they're using their guns. They're not gonna... Yeah. That was a couple of hits, I think, on the Hudson. Yeah, the guns really aren't going to be much use here, though. Right, 14.7 was pretty good. Let's go down to 14... Oh, I'll say 14.5. 14.4. Fire. There we go. Oh my. That's devastating. Right. Let's just check the damage that we've caused. Pretty extensive, I think. Illustrious. Aircraft heavy damage. We've destroyed the second port turret. We've heavily damaged the first port turret. And we've destroyed the AAA. How about the Formidable? How's the Formidable doing? Aircraft light damage. Right, well, not if the Hudson has anything to say about it. I'm actually going to go 15.9. Fire! Oh, that wasn't actually so good. Have we damaged the propulsion on the Renown? Light damage to the propulsion on the Renown. Alright. Let's see, 21.2. If we drop that down, let's say to, I don't know, 20.7 maybe? Half a degree less? I'll go 20.5. Fire! Go on. Interesting. Secondary explosion on the Renown. Ah! I don't like these plunging 15-inch shells. I really don't like them. The Illustrious fires. 4.5-inch shells fall short. That's fine. If they're falling short, it doesn't really matter too much. Or long. Right, so, illustrious. Fire at the same elevation, I think. Fire. There we go. Yeah, they're not looking very healthy. Formidable. Any damage? The aircraft are fixed. AAA is lightly damaged. Any additional damage to the Illustrious? So the aircraft are destroyed now. First port turret is lightly damaged. Alright. It's not too bad, not too bad. Well, it is bad because they can't use their aircraft and the flight deck is a mess. Should we say 15.9 again? Yeah, alright. Fire. Go on. Alright, that's good. What's their response going to be? Oh, we need to... Heavy damage, perhaps? Yeah, heavy damage to the propulsion on the Renown. Right, let's move the Graf Spee along. 20.5 was a little bit, well, towards the back of the ship. So if we drop that down to, say, 19... I'm going to say 19.6. Fire. Go on. Yes, a couple of hits. And they're short. I don't know who they're aiming at then. Are they aiming for the Hutton or the Admiral Graf Spee? I've got no idea. Illustrious firing. Oh, hello, are they... Yeah, that's one hit on the funnel. On the Hutton, I think. Right, how's the Illustrious doing? Aircraft destroyed, second port turret destroyed, and AAA destroyed. Alright, so pretty extensive damage, and a burning flight deck as well. Right, let's drop to 14 then. Fire. I'm surprised that didn't sink her, to be honest. How's the Formidable doing? Propulsion and pumps heavy damage. Aircraft destroyed, AAA destroyed. So she's not long for this world. Yeah, the Illustrious is gone. Yeah, it just took a little bit of time. Surprised she didn't sink. Well, all it took was a little bit more time, and there she goes. Let's try 15.6 and fire. How's the Renown doing? Propulsion, light damage, and a fire amidships. This is the Illustrious, isn't it? That's sinking. Yeah, although she's sinking rather slowly. Right, let's move the Admiral Graf Spee along. 19.5 was right here, so if we drop that down to say... should we say 19 exactly? I'll go 19 exactly. Fire. Looking good. Yeah, not bad at all. Oh, that's close. Underwater hit, I reckon, on that one. Formidable desperately trying to get away. Oh, but I've just realised something. Berlichingen sunk the carrier, her carrier that she was aiming at. The Illustrious is, well, sinking. The Formidable is pretty much also on her way out. So we can have the Berlichingen switch fire to the Renown. Can we use plotting? Oh, beautiful. Perfect timing as well. 16.8, and we've got 16.8 for the Renown here. Right, let's go up a little bit to 16.8. Change to armour piercing this time. Fire. Almost. Almost. Right, Hutton, take out your carrier, and yeah, you can focus on the Renown. Forgot the ship name. Let's try 15.8. Fire. Go on. Still a little bit short. Right, 18.9 for the Graf Spee was right here. Yeah, let's go down to, oh, I'll say 18.2 even, yeah. Fire. I'll go with what they're telling me for once. Really? The one time I go with them and it's short. Not good. It's kind of annoying really, isn't it? Right, I've no idea whether that I mean, that had to have been long, regardless of what ship they were aiming for. Any damage? No, no damage. Right, let's get U-turned a little bit. 15 degrees to starboard. 16.8 was right here, so if we go to about 17.1, fire. We should see some hits this time. Oh yes, we were. Lovely. Yeah. There goes the run. Wow! Already? Crikey. They really don't hang around then. Wow. Right, so we've got just the aircraft carrier Formidable left. I'll go up to 16.1. Fire. And this should finish her off. Or not. Well, the Admiral Graf Spee is going to... Oh, are we... Oh, pumps are damaged. Oh, but we're finished. Formidable, propulsion, light damage, pumps heavy damage, aircraft destroyed, AAA destroyed. Well, here is the carnage that we have caused. We've got a battle cruiser sinking here, we've got carrier sinking here. Yeah, cease firing. That's done. Can we see the other one maybe? Oh yeah, we can just... Can we get them all in the same shot? Yes, we can. That's a grim sight. 2 carriers and a battle cruiser sinking. Right, but they're sinking slowly. They're being stubborn about it. So, for that reason, we'll press done. Action report. On the British side, the battlecruiser Renown was sunk for 37,500 tons. The aircraft carriers Formidable and Illustrious was sunk for 23,000 tons each. On the German side, the battleship Berlichingen received no damage. The battleship Hudson received no light damage, and the heavy cruiser Admiral Graf Spee received light damage. A score of 83,500. Well, there we go. That is all from Admiral Playerovski for this video. Thank you for the suggestion. Can we get to 50 subscribers before mission 50? Make it happen. I think we can, and we're on our way to doing so. So, make it happen. If you enjoy the content I make, leave a like and subscribe. As always, any suggestions for custom battles, drop those below in the comments, and I'll get right to them. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.